So I've been teaching field biology to undergrads for about 40 years. My first job was at UC Berkeley, and my job with two other professors was to teach a course called Natural History of the Vertebrates. And in this class, we had lectures twice a week, we had a lab once a week, and we had a field trip for half a day every week the whole semester. On top of that, every student had to do an independent field research project. So this was immersion in getting to know the local amphibians, reptiles, birds, and mammals of the Bay Area. And I got to see firsthand the change from students that first weekend field trip when they show up completely inappropriately dressed, patent leather shoes, bright red raincoats, and they're not happy about it either. I mean, this is required. They're out there. We're trying to make them learn like 40 species of little brown jawed birds, plus all the salamanders, frogs, snakes, and so forth. Sometimes it's raining. And the transformation that happens over the course of the semester is that by the last field trip, which is to a ranch in the nearby Central Valley, they're confidently calling each other over to see a rattlesnake they found in the rocks. They're picking up an owl pellet, tearing it apart and saying, oh, this one's got a gopher skull in it. And here's another one with a gopher skull and a California vole skull. And they've literally been transformed by having what I think is really original active learning. And that is to get out there and get immersed in life itself, get out of your own self into the lives of other organisms, try to understand them. So that's field teaching to me. I've taught it in various other shapes and forms, including right here on the Cornell campus. So we actually have a lot of nature here on campus. I've seen a red-tailed hawk take a rabbit right in front of my building. There's a place over behind the Theory Center where you can stand in one place and see about 400 million years of plant evolution at one time, because you can look down there in the stream and see green algae, and then liverworts, and then mosses and ferns, and then pine trees and oak trees. And that is literally 400 million years of plant evolution in one spot here on campus.